we do so many activities. So see here, I'm preparing, right? I am learning something. I'm preparing for interviews. I'm doing some job. No, anything. You are doing something, right? So that is your job. Okay, if you are looking for a job also, preparing for an interview is your job, right? So in the path of the job, how you do is very important. What you do, how you do, correct? Are you doing with 100% of your efforts, or you are just doing for the sake of something? Correct, ma? Yes or no? You dedicated or you are just doing? There is a lot of difference between these two, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So the difference will come, okay, from where is, okay, there is a sentence. What is the sentence is, okay, this one. Like the work, the work, whatever you do, physical, mental, okay, even anything, that is a work. But to do that work, you need an energy, okay, right energy. That right energy will come from right thoughts. So here, some deviation is there. When you are not doing something good, not completely, not fulfilled, okay, that means you are not keeping the right thoughts or the strong thoughts. So people will say, sir, scripting, I can't do scripting. Why you can't do scripting? Because you already thought that you can't do scripting. Your mind already told you that, okay, scripting is not for you. So it's already built. Then your energy is showing that, correct? Is that correct statement, ma'am? Whatever I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when we are learning now, make strong thoughts. You need to expect in a way like, okay, you are in a path, okay, trust on something, first on you, okay, that you can do yourself, because you are doing for yourself, you are doing it and you can do it. And second thing is trust on me, okay, because I will give my best, how much I can. So, and make the thoughts also say, accordingly says, okay, we are going in a strong path and it will help you for your entire life, right? So if you start make the thoughts like that, now automatically the energy will become, it will come, okay, and then the activities also you will do the same way. So people will say, sir, I didn't get time. Why you don't get time? Because you didn't thought. If you already thought like night, okay, tomorrow morning 5 o'clock I need to wake up and practice. You don't wake up, huh? You will wake up, correct? Yes or no? If you don't think like that, then you don't wake
Yes,
up.
sir.
So practice on the thoughts also, on strong thoughts, positive thoughts. Okay, this is not related to our class, ma. This is actually general thing. Okay, I thought of uh, okay, it's a general thing. I thought of just to speak, share with you people, so that it may help at least one or two. That's why I said very less important. Okay, not related to service now, but general. Okay, fine. Is that clear, ma? Yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Take care then. Bye, ma. Good night.